Hi there, here's another video to assist you if you need it in the assessment task for digital technologies in Python Cypher program. So I'm just masquerading as a student here. Just to recap on what this is about, the scenarios here, this tells you exactly what it is or an overview of what you're supposed to be doing. This bit here gives you the ideas of what's supposed to be included and the fact that you've got to create a program in REPL. So the key bit from this scenario is the company would like some way of encrypting mobile numbers. So the work you've been doing in Grok, you have been encrypting text. There's a difference between numbers and text. So really what you're trying to achieve here is very, very similar. I'll repeat, is very, very similar to what you were doing in Grok. But in this case, you want only to accept numbers. You don't want anybody to be able to put text in, and you also want it to be able to accept numbers, no spaces, no text, no nothing, no brackets, and then encrypt that and change the number basically. So if we go over to Grok, here is really how you should start. So if you go to rotating past Z, or even better, rotating past A down here, you will have a program. You will have a program that comes up here, which contains three functions: 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are three functions there. However, when you put them into REPL, those three functions all want to go together in one. So there'll still be three functions, but they won't be three separate functions like this. So the way this one works is they're three different files almost. Now, the thing you've got to realize is that they have got to be in a specific order, because if you read it here, from crypto, import decrypt. So that one there is relying on this one existing. This bit here cannot do anything without that existing. Then this one goes from functions import rotate. This one can't exist without that one. So therefore, there's big clues there as to what order they should go in. So you need to copy and paste all the code from these three things and make sure you get them into the right order. Then you need to start editing this code, because as I said, this accepts text, it doesn't accept numbers. But just by copying and pasting this across, you've already started to get some grades, and also getting it to work, of course. If you copy it across and start to do some small edits, get them in the right order, start to do some small edits, you've already started to get some of the lower grades within the rubric for this assessment task. So there's your first job. So remember, I have said many times that one of the fundamental skills in this is being able to read code and figure out what it does. There's no good going through Grok when you do not understand what's actually happening. So you need to think, what's going on in here? If we look, it's talking about if letter is lower. Well, we're not dealing with letters anymore. So that's saying if the letter is lowercase, that's not relevant here anymore. Okay? But there may be other things that are relevant. Okay, you've also got to figure out some way of the computer understanding that it is a number. So there is something in one of these three functions here which gives you a massive clue, because it's using that particular thing to tell the computer it's a number. Another way could be to Google and try and do a search to figure out how to declare a number or suggest a number, or to make Python understand that it's a number. What is the particular thing you need to put in? I'm not going to give you too many clues on this, because that would be me doing it for you. Don't forget, this is about problem solving. This is what digital technologies is about, and computational thinking is about. It's about you doing problem solving. That's what the skill is here. Not to be able to program in Python, it's to be able to problem solve. And you're going to need that if you want to earn serious money in your life, except you might just win the lottery. Good luck with that. Okay, thanks. Bye.